Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. And overall, the chart's hanging in there, but it is kind of a shaky, sketchy looking chart. The chart's not ruined, but I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was up around here and then it ultimately pulled all the way back down there. I mean, was that a crash? No, but I mean, that was still a pretty big pullback. So it's one of those charts where I can see how people are saying, I don't know, is this bullish or bearish? And for me, there is one key level to watch going forward, and that level is right here at $4.75. Why is $4.75 important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but one possible scenario is that the price comes down to $4.75 and then just continues on down. And at that point, if that were to happen, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly the sign of true power. Whereas on the flip side, maybe the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, at least at that point, you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, again, quote unquote, progress being defined as 475. So that is why a whole lot, basically 475 is kind of acting as our dictionary, and it's helping us define certain words. So is the price, quote unquote, making progress? That is associated with bullishness. Or is the price, quote unquote, going back to where it was? That would definitely be assigned with bearishness. So as of right now, you have to give the advantage to the bulls because, yeah, the price does still have the opportunity to make some signs and show some signs of progress. But going into Friday, let's see if the price can stay up above 475 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.